My company is AI ERPSDNBHD, a developing protective equipment manufacturing company registered in Malaysia. My company is mainly supplying high-quality protective equipment for two major sectors, construction and industry. We sell a wide variety of products, but mainly fall into three categories: safety helmets, safety vests, and protective gloves. In recent years, the continuous expansion of the construction industry across Southeast Asia has driven a sharp rise in orders from regional clients to our company, while a range of associated management challenges have also gradually emerged. The AI ERP company used to handle orders, inventory, and production planning with spreadsheets, emails, and manual workflows, which frequently caused a range of operational pain points. It subsequently launched a centralized ERP system integrated with the corresponding function. Early one morning, ERP service provider AI ERPSDNBHD received a purchase application from infrastructure construction enterprise Johor Construction SDNBHD. The client, to prepare for a large-scale infrastructure project, needed to purchase 2,000 safety helmets. The company's sales staff immediately entered the product specifications, order quantity, and delivery date into the firm's internal ERP system. Before approve the request, the sales staff need to review the customer data. In the ERP system, already store all the customer information. This allowed the sales department to process the new request quickly and accurately. The ERP system will display all product information, including price and inventory. Sales staff review the material master data and can share to all departments the information of same product. The centralized master data improved consistency. Sales quotation process. This process must first take customer needs as its prerequisite. Sales representatives prepare a quotation that includes 5 core pieces of information, such as unit price and total quantity. The process leverages an ERP system to automatically generate documents to reduce resource waste and prevent errors, after which the quotation is sent to the customer for review. After reviewing the quotation, Johor Construction Private Limited confirmed its purchase. The supplier's sales representative converted the quotation into a sales order with the ERP system. The system automatically syncs all customer and product information, improving business efficiency. After a sales order is created, inventory availability check process. The ERP system do the verification to compare the customer's order demand quantity against the current inventory level. Safety helmet B identifies an inventory shortfall of 1,500 units. The ERP system automatically determined that production would... When it triggered the short-term inventory threshold, the system automatically coordinates its 2 native modules, material management and production planning, to advance operations in sync, thereby realizing the core business value of seamless cross-module integration. The ERP system automatically calculates the estimated delivery time to generate a feasible delivery plan. The sales team then confirms the final delivery date with customers after integrating inventory status and production progress, and uses this precise information to improve customer satisfaction. After the sales order for 2,000 safety helmets submitted by the customer is confirmed to take effect, ERP system automatically launches an inventory check, identifies a shortfall of 1,500 units resulting from only 500 units of available inventory, and simultaneously derives the corresponding demand for production raw materials. Material requirements, planning module, abbreviated MRP, within the ERP system. Using the bill of materials, the module calculates all materials required for helmet production, including 800 kilograms of ABS plastic, foam liners, chin straps, helmet accessories, and all other necessary production materials. The material management module of the ERP system cross-references the materials required for production against the warehouse's existing inventory. With the exception of a small number of materials that can be supplied normally, only 300 kilograms of ABS plastic remain available. This supply gap will prevent production from starting on schedule. When inventory materials experience a shortage, the ERP system automatically generates a purchase requisition, marked with the required materials, quantities, and expected delivery date, and forwards it to the procurement department for processing. Procurement specialists first review approved purchase requests, compare price, quality, delivery lead time, and supplier performance to select intended suppliers, after which the company's ERP system generates an electronic order and sends it to the supplier for confirmation. Several days later, the supplier delivers the raw materials to the warehouse. Warehouse management staff execute the goods receipt transaction in the ERP system. The system verifies the purchase order against the actually received quantity. Inventory records were updated automatically. Before production, the quality control team first completes a quality inspection that conforms to the enterprise's standards. If the inspection passes, this initiates a verification process led by the accounting department, which compares supplier invoices, purchase orders, and goods receipt notes to prevent payment errors and guarantee the accuracy of procurement work. After invoice verification is passed, the finance department processes payment in line with the agreed payment terms. The ERP system automatically records this financial transaction and synchronizes 3 categories of information: procurement, inventory, and accounting information. The company's warehouse already collected all required raw materials. The procurement process is successfully completed. The ERP system synchronizes the updated inventory to the production planning module, and manufacturing activities are subsequently launched without any delays. After all required raw materials have been received and verified, the ERP system automatically initiates the production planning process, integrating 3 core categories of data, including confirmed sales orders into the planning module, to support the efficient launch of production activities. The first stage of production planning is sales and operations planning, commonly known as SOP. The ERP system gathers information from sales, marketing, manufacturing, accounting, human resources, and purchasing to support effective production planning. The demand management function of an ERP system integrates customer orders and demand forecasts to calculate the actual required production volume. For an order of 2,000 safety helmets, the system factors in the existing inventory of 500 units and calculates that 1,500 additional units need. The ERP production module generates a master production schedule, MPS, based on confirmed demands. It allows a company to distinguish planning methods between materials that have a strong influence on profit or use critical resources and those that do not. The ERP system also generates the material requirements planning, MRP process, relying on the bill of materials to calculate the exact quantity of raw materials required for production. It verifies the availability of all necessary materials after procurement is completed, and ultimately confirms that production can proceed without interruption. Then list out that the BOM, bill of materials, for producing a single safety helmet covers all components including the outer shell and foam liner, while the routing, process route, specifies all process steps including forming and quality inspection. The coordination of these 2 systems can ensure the standardization and high efficiency of the manufacturing. Once all production planning work is completed, the ERP system automatically generates a production order for 1,500 safety helmets, which lists core elements including materials, production processes, and other related key details. Production supervisors can monitor the entire manufacturing process through the system. The production phase is officially launched in accordance with the generated production schedule. Immediately afterwards, the warehouse distributes all required types of raw materials to the production workshop. Production workers operate production equipment following process route instructions. The production supervisor monitors on-site progress in real time, and the ERP system records production status, equipment utilization rate, and finished output throughout the entire production. All safety helmets manufactured by this enterprise must pass quality inspection that conforms to the enterprise's self-defined safety standards immediately after rolling off the production line. Qualified products are transferred to the finished goods warehouse, an action that simultaneously triggers the ERP system to automatically update inventory records, after which the corresponding customer orders enter the pending delivery status. The production planning module of the ERP system at AI, ERPSDNBHD, integrates sales and operations planning, master production scheduling, material requirements planning, and production execution to convert customer requirements into finished goods. Finished goods waiting to be shipped mark the final stage of the entire business process. Once production of safety helmets at the enterprise's manufacturing workshop is completed, the helmets are transferred to the finished goods warehouse. The enterprise's ERP system automatically updates inventory and simultaneously notifies the sales department to process pending shipment orders. The warehouse team prepares for outgoing shipments based on delivery schedules generated by the ERP system, completes packaging, loading, and dispatch, and ultimately delivers all 2,000 safety helmets to Johor Construction SDNBHG by the agreed-upon date. After the delivery of a customer order is confirmed, the Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) system deployed by the enterprise automatically generates an invoice. All data contained in the invoice is linked to the original sales order, covers all mandatory fields, and serves to reduce human errors and cut administrative workload. After the customer verifies the invoice and completes payment in accordance with the agreed terms, the finance department enters the payment record into the ERP system to update the customer's account, after which the sales order is immediately marked as completed. After the Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) system receives the signal of a successful payment, it completes the entire commercial transaction, synchronizes 5 categories of core business data, and supports managers to access accurate reports and monitor business performance in real time. This simulation study verifies that integrating an ERP system to connect its sales and distribution, materials management, and production planning modules, and relying on real-time cross-departmental information sharing, can improve communication efficiency, reduce manual workload, lower the risk of inventory shortages, and enhance product delivery efficiency. After AI ERPSDNBHD implemented its ERP system, by leveraging integrated management across all links of planning, procurement, manufacturing, and delivery, the company has achieved 4 core operational benefits, ultimately lifting its operational efficiency and supporting its business to realize long-term sustainable growth. Thank you all for watching this integrated ERP business process simulation animation, which converts customer requirements into order fulfillment through the coordinated operation of the interconnected sales and distribution, materials management, and production planning modules.